There's one small thing to note whenever we add a new image file to a channel. When we upload a file, by choosing it and hitting send, you can see that our progress bar adds to the height of our message form, and it gets in the way of our messages section. In order to change that behavior, the first approach would be to go to the progress bar and only show the progress bar whenever the upload state that we're passing as a prop is set to the text uploading. So as long as the image is being uploaded, we'll show the progress bar, but once it's done, it'll go away. So this is the approach that I'll use. And just to demonstrate this, we'll choose another image, we'll hit send, and the progress bar only sticks around as long as the image was uploading. Now another approach that you can take if you want the progress bar to stick around, and we'll remove that conditional, is to change the class of the messages component, or the messages section. So we'll head to our app.css file. We have our messages class here. We'll add another class where if we have our progress bar, we're going to use the class of messages underscore underscore progress, and we'll change the height of our messages, original messages class to 62 view height to give it a responsive height, and the messages progress class will have a height of 58 view height, so a bit smaller. So based on whether there's a progress bar, we're going to use one class or another. We'll do this with a conditional. Check to see if there's a progress bar, we'll use the class messages progress, otherwise we'll use the messages class. We'll create a function within our messages component called isProgressBarVisible. It's going to take the percent of the upload, and it's going to check to see if percent is greater than 0, and if so, it's going to set the state of messages, specifically the progress bar property, to true. So we'll create a progress bar property, which will tell us if we have a progress bar or not. It will initially be set to false, and then we can pass isProgressBarVisible down as a prop to message form. And within message form, within our state change listener, we'll execute it with this.props.isProgressBarVisible, and we will pass in percent uploaded to that function, and it'll change the state of the parent component of the messages component accordingly. So within the render of messages, we need to destructure the progress bar property so that our class name ternary will work. If we save all of our files and head back to our app, try uploading another media file, we hit send. If you take a look at the messages section, it was pulled up a bit since it has a smaller height, and now there's a space between our messages component and our messages form.